This is the new pocket knife that I just picked up for myself, and it's the Tekto F2 Bravo EOTECH edition. I just wanted to go over some of the cool stuff that I liked about it, and as well as show you some cool visuals. EOTECH is mostly well known for their weapon mounted optics, and this collaboration is in celebration of their 30th anniversary. This is a limited edition design, so unfortunately there is a waitlist to purchasing one of these on the Tekto Knives website, if they are even still producing this specific model. Tekto Knives designs and assembles their knives in the US, but where it's made exactly, I'm not quite sure. Hopefully they can weigh in on this sometime. Inside the box it comes with a sticker, free lanyard offer, limited warranty, and product information. The knife comes in a Tekto logoed fabric sheath with a belt loop in the back. The knife has an awesome forged carbon handle with a brass insert in the middle with the EOTECH logo right at the pivot. Here's a little lanyard pass through at the very end of it, and some nice EOTECH/Tekto detailing on the clip. Overall, a very handsome knife to match the other EOTECH products I have. It's made with a Tanto blade design that comes to a nice sharp point at the end. The rest of the video is just some close-ups of the knife to show you exactly how good looking this knife is. This knife deploys via ball bearing, and it does not have a spring assist. Absolutely no wiggle on the blade with my specific unit. Out of the box, I give it about a B+ to an A- in terms of sharpness. And there you have it. This was a quick video on my new EDC knife. If you enjoyed, I'd appreciate if you hit the like button to let me know you like what I'm doing, and subscribe to see more in the future. See you in the next one.